How's this for an intro, huh? What's up? If you're new to my channel, I'm Gears of Snore, and I make that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. That lovely noise you hear, that's coming from my two Rinehart mufflers. You know, I'm hungry. It's windy as shit. Pardon my French. Didn't get to ride all of Memorial Day weekend, so I'm happy that I get to spend both days on the bike. I was going to go to a place in Fishkill, New York today, but when I had to go pick up my mufflers and stuff and I'm getting blown around, I'm like, I'm gonna push it till the next day. So kind of got me thinking, where are you gonna go eat? I don't want to eat a lot. Maybe something small. And it popped in my head. I seen King Shraz's channel. He was talking about how Wawa has tacos now. So what do you say we go get a taco from Wawa, huh? I'm usually pretty good diet-wise during the week. But on the weekends I have Saturday and Fun Day. But Monday through Friday I'm fairly strict. Like, I exercise, you know, I watch my carbs, all that fun stuff you're supposed to do. And kind of like 80-20 thing, I guess, right? You good 5 days, bad 2. The good outweighs the bad. It was weird because I was fasting and my body just wouldn't shed any more pounds. Oddly enough, I introduced breakfast back, and lo and behold, I started shedding pounds again. But even that is usually wraps with egg whites and peppers, onions, cheese, all that stuff. I try to stay away from the processed stuff, rightfully so, being I had colon cancer 3 years ago, and I'm not trying to deal with that again. You go slow, I make my turn. Whatever, I do what I want. So yeah, let's go get a taco. He's a dad. You know, I know. It's his dad around his license plate. A Rutgers dad. If you've ever been to Rutgers, holy crap, is that a big school. There's like 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts. How the hell are you using a leaf blower? Fenced off the graveyard. When I come up to this light here, if you make a right, there's a White Castle. I don't hate myself enough to eat White Castle and then wash it down with some libations. No way, friends. We are not doing that. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen today, I tell you. Place over here used to be called Reef Encounters. Boy, is that a missed opportunity for a dispensary, huh? Let's go in here, find a spot, order me up some tacos. Good God, there's a friggin' huge gap there. You know what? I'll go right here. Just pull out and pull out and go home at the Wawa. Let's hope it's everything you've dreamed of. Oh, this seasoned beef is where it's at, man. This is friggin' good stuff. This is a chicken taco. Not too bad. Ah, you gotta love sport mode. So, first off, I don't know what the hell was up with the ordering system in there. Unless you customized your taco and said no cheese, it wouldn't let you order one. I'm like, are you gonna tease me? And the commercials and everything else. And then I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go do it. I'm gonna go get one. It's like the machine just kept giving me an E middle finger or something. I have to tell you though, I was surprised that they weren't bad at all. They were actually, oh, that seasoned beef one, man, that's the one to get. And then their packets of hot sauce, I'm like, this stuff's gonna just be horrible. No, it's freaking good. And then I got the other one, it's like shredded chicken. They were really good. Like I said, I was kind of surprised. I'm like, am I gonna like them, or, you know, because some of their stuff, like I remember I got, I guess it was like their version of nuggets. Like, it was like eating silly putty. I was like, this isn't chicken. There's no way this is chicken. You know, I think the only hard sell that Wawa over here is gonna have, uh-oh, somebody going to war? They've got this odd phenomenon going on right now where, I'm gonna say the past couple of months, cars have been going in the Hackensack River. Yeah, so it's kind of, that location, like I was saying, is gonna kind of have a hard sell because Taco Bell is literally like right across the street. But I almost prefer the seasoned beef at Wawa over Taco Bell's, and if I'm being honest, I don't eat a lot of beef. I don't. Now, if Wawa comes through with some fish tacos, I'll be checking them out. I definitely give it the thumbs up, man. If you're at Wawa and you want something to eat, it's light, you know, it's not gonna beat your gut up, go for those tacos. And on that note, friends, I drop my videos Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. If you'd be so kind to come back and check out another video or two, I'd appreciate it. Thanks again for your time.